Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up Google Drive for Windows so that we can access it directly through our File Explorer or through our desktop. So this also works for Mac, so it doesn't matter which system you use. So usually to get started with Google Drive we have to open our browser and open the Google Start page. Then we go to Google Apps and click on Drive. A little quick tip here, you can drag and drop those apps to any position you want. So just click on it, hold the mouse button and then just drag it wherever you want. So let's start Drive. And here that's the normal way to access your Drive folders. You can work with different folders here, or you can also work with your files like Google Sheets, Google Slides or Google Docs. But now we want to go or use it through our desktop. So let's close that. And the first thing we're going to do is open our Chrome browser. Then we go into the search field and we type in Google File Stream. And the first thing that we are going to see is deploy Drive File Stream from the Google support page, and we just click on it. Then we scroll down a little bit and we find here below Article 5 we find Windows or Mac, and you can just choose whatever you need. I do it for Windows here and then I click on download now. Alright, the download has just started, so just wait a little bit and I will be back in a second. Alright, the download has finished, so let's open the file. We have to give permission. Yes. Now we click on install and we can choose if we want to add icons. I don't do that here. Just install it. Wait a little bit. And it's done. We just click on close. And close this window here. We just have to wait another second. And if you noticed, we got a new icon down here, Drive File Stream, and this Windows opens up. So now I have to log into my Google account. So let's do that. Marcel@gmail.com. And as soon as you are logged in, you will be automatically connected to Google Drive File Stream. And then you can take a look at all those infos here. Let's close that. And now you see there is another drive on your PC. So you now have Google Drive File Stream on Drive J. So whenever you go to your File Explorer, you click here and you see the new stuff here. You can just click on it. You see my drive. You can double click and then you see I have the same folders and files here as I have on my usual Google Drive on the browser. Okay, that's it. I hope it helps. If it does, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more stuff about business related things. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.